Alright, now I'll visit the other crossing over there. It's okay, it's fine if I'm more constructed, I think, because it's abandoned. I think this used to be a pedestrian crossing and it's got removed. Oh look, I'm guessing this is their version of the crossing DCIs. I'm not sure what that sign means. I just get closer to it. Floods with a bunch of rock crap. This is their type. Jeez. I mean, DCIs. Vegetation. Yeah. There. Let's see if it'll open. So stop there. I might cut the video actually, because it might take. Well, I think there's another crossing as well. Actually, no, I'm not cutting the video. Just says stop there. Yes, that's right. There's another crossing there. So, control panel for DCIs. So what this is supposed to be. Massive other one. One light. Bell. I'm not reaching to that other one because I waited for, but zoom in. Another one there, but I'm not, of course I'm not used to the Fading Bell. And yeah, I guess I'll go back to my cruise.